Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing 1 lb fresh sashimi-grade tuna and keep it chilled at or below 40 degrees F until slicing to minimize bacterial growth. Clean hands, a sharp 8-10-inch knife, and all utensils. Trim skin and the dark bloodline to reduce spoilage risk. Measure marinade ingredients precisely. 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp ground ginger, and 1/2 tsp black pepper. Prepare a non-reactive container for a 3-4 hour marinade and a thermometer for later checks. For tender tuna jerky, slice the fish into 1/4-inch thick strips across the grain using a single steady stroke for clean edges. Place strips in the prepared marinade and refrigerate for 3-4 hours, flipping the strips once after 90 minutes so the flavor distributes evenly. When ready, remove strips from the marinade and pat them dry with paper towels. Blot excess marinade to prevent dripping during the drying stage and to avoid overly salty or chewy spots in the finished jerky. Arrange strips in a single layer on dehydrator trays or wire racks and dehydrate at 145 degrees F for 6-10 hours, rotating trays if needed, until strips are dry but still slightly flexible and not brittle. Ensure strips reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees F for safety before packaging. Use an instant-read thermometer to confirm. Cool completely, then store in airtight jars or vacuum bags. Refrigerate up to 2 weeks or freeze up to 3 months. Reheat briefly or serve at room.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.